got bills. We knock 'em out, yeah, yeah, yeah. West Texas skies turning dark, hell coming down, leaving its mark. Storm rolled in, heard the thunder crack, ice from the sky, preaching right all black. Dents all over, looking rough and wild, but don't you worry, we got that style. No paint, no mess, no stress today. We push 'em out and send you on your way, yeah. Goddamn, we knock 'em out, bring that right, we'll fix it now. From here to days, big or small, we make it look like nothing happened at all. Another flawless repair, yeah, that's our way. Like it was never there. Drive it today, let call Angelo Dent Removal now. 320-573-6149, don't wait around. All day downtown, parking lot surprise, crease in the panel right before your eyes. Factory finish and we keep it clean, best in San Angelo, know what I mean. Insurance saying go somewhere else, but you got the choice, bring it to the best. Goddamn, we knock 'em out, bring that right, we'll fix it now. Hailstorm damage, don't stand a chance, we bring that shine back in a single glance. Another flawless repair.